Back 40 Trails is located in southeast Bella Vista, and it's so accessible. You can get on these trails really easily on your bike. You can take your kids to school and then ride home on a bike. I can take a lunch break and come out here and get a good exercise in and be back in time for my lunch break to be over. Another great thing is all the pit stops along the way. I mean, you can go riding with your kids on these little pump tracks. It comes right into a park. It's crazy how accessible these trails are. I mean, you could be in any neighborhood in Bella Vista and not realize that there's trails right out their back door, right behind the fence. You can step out your back door and get on a trail and go anywhere you need to on the back 40 system.